The Intensive Age-Defying Hydrating Cleanser by June Jacobs is a product for both men and women. This hydrating cleanser cream is paraben and preservative-free. Its main purpose is to clean the skin of impurities without drying out the skin. Key ingredients to this product include shea butter and meadow foam seed oil. These nutrients reduce the appearance of wrinkles and promote a more youthful-looking complexion. This hydrating cleanser also carries a blend of white, green, and red tea extracts, combined with grape, pomegranate, and goji seed extracts to combat free radicals or environmental toxins that come in contact with your skin. These nutrients act as anti-inflammatory agents and help support collagen production. Massage over your face and neck in a circular motion.